Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up the Dreame D30 Ultra with the Dreame Home app that's available for iOS and Android devices. If you're interested in the D30, the link to it will be in the video description, as well as our links to our favorite robot vacuums, wet dry vacuums, and cordless vacuums. And we have daily vacuum deals on our website, so be sure to check out those daily vacuum deals as well. Now, let's go ahead, let's get our D30 set up. We're in the Dreame app right here, top right-hand corner, there's 3 dots, and then you'll notice we have an add device option that pops up with the plus icon. Select that. We can scan a code or we can add it manually. Go ahead, we're just gonna leave it with the camera activated and we're gonna scan the code that's on our unit right here. So line it up, scan the QR code. Now we need to make sure the device is turned on. So our device is currently off. So we're gonna press and hold. There, it's on now. Oh, and it's starting to clean. So our device is on. We can hit that checkbox and then select next. Release the hotspot. So press and hold the spot clean button and the home button for 3 seconds until we hear a voice prompt.
Waiting for the network configuration.
There we go. Hit that checkbox, select next. Now at this screen, you need to connect to your local Wi-Fi network. Make sure you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, then select next. Now we need to enter into the device hotspot. So at the very bottom, hit that tan beige button and this pops up on the screen. Select join. And now it's going to work on connecting for us. And here we go. We have our screen that's going to go through a couple of checklist items here as we just wait for everything to connect.
Please return to app to wait for the result.
So one more waiting on the device connecting to the network.
Network connected successfully.
Got the voice prompt. It's connected successfully. Now the app is caught up.
Before starting tasks.
Select next.
Start charging.
We can rename it. Hit finished. And now it says the plugin's downloading. So we just wait for it to initialize for the first time. All right, there's our D30. We're taken into the device right here. We can agree to their policy. They walk you through a couple of key features here like AI-driven mop extend. You can toggle that on or off. And all of this can be configured later as well, walking us through some of the key icons. And at this stage, if you get this prompt to update firmware, I highly recommend you do that at this step. It'll take a couple of minutes, but update the firmware. Once that's done, you'll be back at the screen where you have your start fast mapping. But that's going to be the next step for your D30s. You want to make sure it's positioned in an area in your house where it can map the environment properly, and then you can edit your map and then you can start cleaning. But to set it up within the Dreame app, we've already done that. That's how quick and simple it is. It's very fast and easy to set up. Scan a code, enter your Wi-Fi information, wait 30 seconds for everything to connect. Then you're taken into this screen where you should definitely update your firmware, please, 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 and then leave it on auto update. Then you can make your map and you're all set and ready to go.